Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Bluetooth on your Mac. Let's get started and see how to do it. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open a new window with all your system preferences. You can also access this window by clicking the System Settings icon directly from your dock. Once you're in the System Settings window, look for the Bluetooth option on the left-hand side menu. Click on it, and you'll see a toggle button that controls Bluetooth. Simply toggle this button to enable Bluetooth on your Mac. When Bluetooth is enabled, your Mac will automatically search for nearby Bluetooth devices, and it will show a list of devices that can be connected. Now, if you don't want to keep opening system settings every time you want to enable or disable Bluetooth, there's an easier way to manage it. Go to Control Center by clicking on the Control Center icon in the menu bar. You will see a Bluetooth option there. Click on it and select Show in Menu Bar. This will add a Bluetooth icon to your menu bar, where you can quickly enable or disable Bluetooth without opening system settings. If you want to check the Bluetooth settings, just click on the Bluetooth icon in the menu bar, and you can access the settings directly from there. And that's how you can enable Bluetooth on your Mac and manage it more easily from the menu bar. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.